Here is your next home. Whether you are starting out or downsizing, this is a unique floor plan with endless possibilities. Live on the first floor with one bedroom and a full bath, laundry, kitchen, living room dining area. Enjoy a large deck with a private view. Upstairs is another generous size bedroom and a full bath, which is perfect for someone else to enjoy a peaceful retreat. Many upgrades in the last few years: newer roof, heat/air, deck 2012, newer stove, dishwasher in 2016, newer washer/dryer and mantle and front door in 2017. Newer ceramic tile entryway and gorgeous dark luxury vinyl floor, which is the newest product. You will fall in love with this heartwarming kitchen with butcher block counters, some glass door cabinetry and a quaint feel. Don't miss out on this opportunity.